looking good.
Yes, thank you.
Meron ka lang birthday message para kay...
Oh wow, I just said it earlier. I guess I'll repeat the same.
Yeah.
Because katulad nga nasabi ko doon sa isa sa interview, Patricia is one of those actresses that seems to have everything in life. She looks like she is parang nung nagsabog ng blessing si Lord, talagang bukang-buka yung kanyang mga kamay. But she's a very successful mom, successful entrepreneur, successful wife, successful everything, beauty queen. And I guess the most important wish probably for me is that I hope that she would, God would continue to bless her with all the opportunities so that she can like share it to other people.
Yes. Sa mga batch po, ang gaganda niyo po, hindi po bumukupas yung mga ganda niyo.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Ang secret niyan, alam mo, I think the most important thing is, maraming maganda sa industry natin. And mahirap mag-compete kasi meron talagang even mas maganda pa. But the most important thing is, beauty is really the totality, right? It has to also be within. It should also come from within, and it shouldn't just be the superficial stuff. So yun siguro yung pinaka-importante. Kasi I cannot claim I'm beautiful, but I try to improve myself, most especially spiritual.
Pressure ba yun on your part? Kasi syempre kailangan artista kayo, kailangan always pretty, always pretty.
Oh yeah, so much pressure. But you know when you ay, sorry. I love you. What's that? So grown up. So yeah, so much pressure. But you know, I have gotten at the point of my life and I don't let that face me anymore. You know, I don't want to compete anymore kasi there's nothing to prove, diba? There's wala na ako sa ganun. Hey, you know, there will always be more beautiful, taller, richer person.
But when it comes to beauty, dapat parang hindi siya physical, mental.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, you know, kasi beauty fades and that's how I look at it. And siguro yung especially if you're exposed to this, you see the industry, right? People come and go, and some are superficially beautiful or physically beautiful but no essence. Walang yun. May mga ganun eh. So, yun.
And even as you
Yeah.
have to start when you grow older, you're really embracing it. You have to always embrace. That's something you're trying to do.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's better to do it as early as possible so that you don't develop insecurity as you get older, because when everything sags, when gravity takes over, right? I mean, it's inevitable. So as soon as you hold on to that fact of life as early as possible, the better, diba? And I always believe that beauty should really come from you. And it's really the dapat totality. Yeah.
Sorry to keep you up, but also, so, blooming ka ngayon, does that mean parang happy?
It's the glam team.
It's the glam.
I know, and it's the flower.
When it comes to mental, emotional, and physical, I mean, you know, kind of showbiz, it can be being famous, marami ka mga passion.
Oh,
how
yeah.
do you keep your mental state well? How do you parang put, parang sarili mo, or, you know, just shut them out?
You know, I always tell my daughter na, you know what, darling, you will always encounter trials in life, challenges, storms, really bad storms in life. But you will never get lost, and you will find your way if you go back to the scripture, if you go back to you know, your relationship with God. You'll never get lost. That's it. I mean, I don't want to, you know, we don't have to expound to that, right? Because I've gone through a lot. I'm still going through. So, ganun lang. And that's what keeps me sane.
You mentioned na you're still going through. Bago ba yung treatment mo? Kasi syempre, iba yung dati. Kasi syempre, dati kasi parang active ka in show business. Ngayon parang you're away, pero gusto mo ng private life.
I like it like that. This is a choice more than anything else. So,
Parang nananahimik ako pero nababago. May mga negative pa rin. Paano mo inahandle yun?
Sabi nga nila di ba? This too shall pass, di ba? So we just wait for everything to pass, and then before you know it, yeah, everything will just pass. Everything will die.
Yes.
Even the news. Even yeah.
So you're doing well.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.